Ravi, your phone is ringing.
It's not responding again.
What happened?
This phone is very old now. It hangs all the time. Let me try again. Oh no, it turned off.
That's bad.
Yes, I think I need a new phone.
Hello, Imran? Hey, Ravi. What happened? My phone is not working properly. I'm thinking to buy a second-hand phone. That's a good idea. Don't go alone. I will come with you. Really? That will help a lot. Let's meet near the market. Okay, I'll leave now. And don't worry. We will check everything properly.
I'm going to the market.
With Imran?
Yes. He is coming with me.
That's good.
Check the phone carefully.
I will.
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for a second-hand phone.
We want a good condition phone.
Sure. Please come this way. This is one of our best phones.
It looks nice.
Wait. Let me see it.
Of course.
The screen looks fine.
Check the sides also. Any damage?
Just a small scratch.
That's normal. Nothing serious.
Call me from this phone.
Okay.
Hello? Yes, I can hear you clearly. Camera is also good. Touch is smooth. I'm not fully sure. Don't rush. Check everything carefully.
Yes.
Check the battery.
Yes. How is the battery health?
It is good. No problem at all.
Okay, that sounds fine.
What is the price?
It is 8,000.
That's a bit high.
Yes, sir. Can you reduce the price?
Okay, I can make it 7,500.
What do you think? It's a fair deal. You can take it. All right, I'll buy it.
Here's the money.
Thank you. Here is your bill. You also get a 1-month warranty.
That's good.
So, did you buy it?
Yes. And Imran helped me a lot.
Let me see. Wow, it looks great.
Yes. A good decision comes from careful thinking.
And a little help from a friend.